A very good afternoon to each and everyone. How are you all doing?
Nice.
Great.
Fine, ma'am.
I'm doing good.
Ma'am.
Thank you very much. My dear students, in the previous session, we discussed about lesson number 1, tiger stripes. And after discussing a bit, we have reached the point in the story where Tiggy climbs up the hill and goes to meet somebody. Who is that somebody? Let me see whether you remember or not.
Already.
Oh, no. This is not the way we answer in class, right? Is this the way? No. What must we do to get a chance to give the answer? Yes, we must do it that way, right? Okay. So let me see. Yes, Parvati, unmute. Whom did Tiggy climb up the hill to meet? Parvati? Yeah. Yeah.
Climb up the hill to meet old lady.
The old lady, my dear.
The old lady.
Perfect. You answered it in a complete sentence. I'm very happy to hear it that way. Very good. I want all my little ones to answer in the same way. Try to frame your own sentences and give the answer. Okay? Will everybody try to do that? Yes, then you will be able to speak much more confidently. Okay, good. Parvati, well done. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome, my dear. Then, Anurag, unmute and tell me, what made Tiggy climb up the hill and go to meet the old lady? What made him do that? What was the reason?
Climbing up the hill was long.
No. Anurag, I don't want you to read it. I want you to think and tell me the answer. Okay, I'll try to make it a little more simpler for you. Why did Tiggy climb up the hill to meet the old lady? Why did he do that? He wanted to do something. That is the reason he climbed up the hill to meet the old lady, right? Why did he do that?
He made.
Try. I will help you.
He should make her his father happy.
Yes, very good. He wanted to help his father, not just make him happy, right? He wanted to help his father. Tiggy wanted to help his father. That is the reason he climbed up the hill to meet the old lady. Okay, good effort, Anurag. I'm happy to see that you tried to answer on your own. That was a little tricky question. Okay, good. Well done. Krishna, are you playing there? Unmute.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. What had happened to Tiggy's father? Krishna, unmute. What had happened to Tiggy's father?
His stripes are missing.
His stripes were missing. Okay.
His stripes were missing.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Krishna. Karthik, unmute. How did Papa Tiger feel when his stripes were missing? Karthik, how did Papa Tiger feel when his stripes were missing? Did he feel happy or angry?
Angry.
Angry. When I gave you the hint, you remembered, right? Okay,
Yes.
Karthik, good. Yes, Papa Tiger was very angry when his stripes were missing. Okay.
Missing.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, Karthik. Santom, what are you doing there? Yeah. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Santom, tell me, how did Tiggy feel when he saw that his father was very angry? How did Tiggy feel?
So sad.
Where is the sentence, Santom? Tell me the answer in a complete sentence. Tiggy felt sad.
Felt sad.
When his father was
And his father's
angry.
hungry.
Not hangry, angry.
Angry.
Angry, yes, very good. Try to remember. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
good. Thank you. Now, Albrin Benny, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, when he came to know that the reason for Tiger's anger was that he had lost his stripes. His mother told Tiggy not to worry, and then he went out to play with one of his friends. Who was Tiggy's friend, Albrin?
Bruno.
The who?
Bear.
Bruno the bear was Tiggy's friend with whom he used to play. Okay, good effort, Albert. Thank you. Now, Stefano, unmute. Climbing up the hill, was it a very simple task or was it a little tiring and difficult work?
Powder.
Listen to my question. Climbing up the hill was a simple or easy work for Tiggy, or was it a tiring work? Climbing up the hill. Was it easy or tiring?
Trying.
Tiring. Yes?
Yes.
Can you explain the meaning of the word tiring to me? Tiring. What do you understand by the term tiring? Tiring.
Trying.
Tiring means anybody else wishes to try? What is the meaning of tiring? Tiring. Okay, Jennifer, unmute.
Difficult.
Difficult or something that makes us feel tired. Something that makes us spend a lot of energy or use a lot of our energy and makes us feel tired. Okay, good effort, Jennifer. Well done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome. So let me share the screen. I'm happy to see that most of you remember what we have done in the previous sessions. Good job. Let's clap for each other. Come on. Very good. Okay. Now, while the board gets loaded, I want everybody to be on page number 3. Page number 3. Are you ready, my dear students? Tirtha OS, unmute. Tirtha, I want you to read from this part. I want you to read from here. I shall go at once and then we will continue. Tirtha, please read from here. I shall go at once.
He shall go at once, said Piggy, and raced off. Climbing up the hill was long and tiring, but Piggy did not stop until he stood outside the old lady's hut. He knocked on the door softly. Go away, said the old lady. Please, ma'am, I need your help, said Tiggy.
Very good, Tirtha. The best part of it is that you read this word as ma'am. Well done. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
You kept it in your mind and read it correctly. Very good. Okay. So, when Bruno gave him the suggestion to run and go meet the old lady who lives on top of the hill, Tiggy was very happy to hear it and he just raced off from there. Raced off means to run very fast and reach the place wherever a person wants to go. Then climbing up the hill, as we all know, was a very long, means time consuming. It took a lot of time for Tiggy to climb up the hill and tiring. He was, by the time he reached the old lady's hut, he was very tired. But did he stop anywhere on the way? No, he did not. He wanted to help his father, Papa Tiger. So he did not stop until he stood outside the old lady's hut. My dear students, do you remember the meaning of the word hut? What is a hut? Yes, Advait Manoj. What is a hut? Advait Manoj, unmute. What is a hut?
little house.
A small house which is not very strong is called a hut. Okay, good effort, Advait. Thank you. Then, once he reached the old lady's hut, he knocked on the door softly. He knocked on the door softly. Softly means without making much noise. He knocked on the door. And from inside he heard the words, "Go away." Was the old lady happy to meet Tiggy? No, not at all. She was very angry and she shouted, "Go away." Hearing that, Tiggy replied, "Please, ma'am, I need your help." What did Tiggy say? Tiggy said, "Please, ma'am, I need your help." Okay? I want Advait PS to unmute. Unmute, Advait. No? Try again. Try again. Touch one time. One second. Try. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Breathe.
He heard footsteps coming closer and closer. Then the door opened. He saw a very old wearing a tattered gown.
Gown.
She looked, gown. She
O-W-N.
looked angrily. Who
Angry.
are you?
She looked angry.
She looked angry. Who are you? And why are you here? She asked. I am Tiggy and I want some magic powder. My papa has lost his stripes, answered Tiggy. Run away. I'm not helping anyone, she said. Big tears rolled down Tiggy's cheeks. The old lady's heart melted. She gave.
Yeah. That's it. That's it. Enough. Advait, wonderful. You have tried to read it fantastically well. Good. Thank you.
Ma'am.
Yeah. All right. So once Tiggy asked the old lady to help him, that he needed his help for some matter, she stood there for some time. And after some time, Tiggy standing outside the door, could hear some footsteps. My dear students, have you noticed when we walk, there is some bit of a sound created? Those, or that is called the footsteps. So Tiggy could hear some footsteps coming closer and closer. Closer means nearer, near us. Okay, so Tiggy could feel that someone is coming near him. And then suddenly the door of the hut opened. The door of the hut opened. Arav, unmute and tell me who opened the door of the hut. Unmute, Arav. It is still muted. Yeah. Who opened the door of the hut? Who opened the door, Arav? Hmm.
I am not.
You don't know, right?
Yeah.
Why?
The old lady.
Others, please don't answer in between. Why, Arav?
I'm not join the between classes.
That is the reason. Why? Why, Arav? Did you face any network issues or something?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anyway, I want you to come regularly for all the other sessions. Okay? Pay attention in the class. Yes?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, good. So, let me tell you, Tiggy climbed up the hill and went to the old lady's hut. So when we go to somebody's place or somebody's house, who opens the door for us? The people living in that home open the door for us. Yes or no? Yes. So when Tiggy went to the old lady's hut, who opened the door? The old lady opened the door. Yes, the old lady opened the door. When she opened the door, Tiggy saw that the old lady was wearing a tattered gown. Tattered gown. Tattered means torn. Tattered means torn. Tattered. Tattered. Tattered means torn. Something that is so old that it may be having lots of holes on it. Okay, holes. Something that is so old that it may have lots of holes on it. And this long dress that you can see in this image here is called a gown. A gown is worn by women or ladies. Okay, women. So when Tiggy noticed that the old lady was wearing a tattered or torn gown, and the old lady was very angry. She looked very angry and she asked Tiggy very loudly, "Who are you and why are you here?" The old lady was not happy at all to meet Tiggy and she shouted and asked, "Who are you and why are you here?" Hearing that, Tiggy replied, and he said, "I am Tiggy. Who are you?" He said, "I am Tiggy. And why are you here?" To that question, Tiggy replied, "I want some magic powder." Very softly, Tiggy replied and said, "I want some magic powder." Then he told the old lady that his papa or his father has lost his stripes. And that is the reason he wants some magic powder. Hearing all this, the old lady got even more angry and she shouted, "Run away, I'm not helping anyone." What did the old lady say? She just said, "Run away from here. I'm not helping anyone." When he heard this, Tiggy felt so bad. He wanted to help his father in some or the other way. He felt very bad and he started crying. What happens when we cry? water starts coming out of our eyes.
Roll down.
Yes, that water is called as tears. When we cry, the water that comes out of our eyes is called or are called tears. Tears, okay? So when Tiggy started crying, tears rolled down Tiggy's cheeks. When she saw Tiggy crying, the old lady's heart melted. The meaning of heart melted is the old lady also started feeling bad and she wanted to help Tiggy in some way. Understood? Okay. Joseph Sebi, unmute and read the next paragraph. Read, Joseph.
She gave him a tiny box, sprinkled the powder when the tiger is asleep. She said, "Thank you very much," said Tiggy, and ran back home. That night,
Oh, that's enough. That's enough. Good. You have read it very well. Thank you. But I noticed one thing. You noticed the full stop here, but you didn't take a pause. You just read it together. She gave him a tiny box, sprinkled the powder. There is a full stop there. That means you need to take a pause there and then continue reading. All that is very important. Otherwise, the people who are listening to you may not be able to understand what you're trying to read. Okay? Did you understand that?
yes, ma'am. Thank you. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, my dear. Please mute your devices, all of you. I can hear a lot of disturbance from one of the students' devices. Arav, did you mute your device? Yeah, okay. So, when Tiggy started crying, the old lady also felt bad and she gave him a tiny box. Tiny means very small. What is the meaning of tiny? Very small.
Very small.
Yes. Tiny means very small. And she told Tiggy to sprinkle the powder when the tiger is asleep. What did the old lady tell Tiggy to do?
The tiger was sleeping.
Krishna, what is that in your hand?
Tiger was sleeping.
Yes, Dhyan, give me the answer.
Tiger's body.
What did the old lady ask Tiggy to do?
The Krishna play with his toy.
Others keep quiet. Dhyan only will answer. What did the old lady ask Tiggy to do? Dhyan, unmute.
Ma'am,
Yeah, what did the old lady ask Tiggy to do?
the powder on
Hmm.
body.
Yes, the old lady asked Tiggy to sprinkle. The meaning of sprinkle is to spread something very lightly over something. For example, if we need a little bit of extra salt in the curry or whatever we are taking, then do we put all the salt on it together? No.
No.
Take little and we spread it very lightly over the food. Yes, that is called
Yes.
sprinkle. To spread over something very lightly. Very little, very lightly. So what did the old lady tell Tiggy to do? She asked Tiggy to sprinkle. Sprinkle the magic powder on the tiger's body when he is asleep. Asleep means sleeping. What is the meaning of asleep? Sleeping. Yes, when Tiggy got the magic powder from the old lady, he was very happy and he said thank you very much to the old lady and he ran back home. He was so happy and excited that he just thanked the old lady for her help and kindness and he ran back home. Okay. Nived, unmute. Read the last paragraph. Nived, unmute. Yeah, read.
And
That. T-H-A-T. That.
that
Hmm.
the
That.
night
N-I-G-H-T. Night. Hmm.
Tiggy
Hmm. Hmm. This is a little difficult, right, to read? Q-U-I. Qui. E-T-H-L-Y-Ly. Quietly.
quietly
Quietly. Quietly.
quietly
Hmm.
sprinkle
Anaya,
the
attention here.
powder
Quietly.
on his quietly
What is this word in Nived?
sprinkled the
Sprinkled.
powder not
On his. Arnav, sit properly.
his
On his.
father
Uh, as.
father
Hmm.
as
He.
slept.
As he slept.
Slept.
The.
The
Hmm.
next day
The.
morning
Nived.
morning
Nived, wait. What is this word? I want you to try and read a little more smartly.
next day
Day. Where is day? Day is not there. The next.
the next morning
Morning.
the
Hmm.
tigers tribe are
No. W-E-R-E.
there
Were. Not where. Were. Were.
were
Hmm.
back.
Back. Okay.
The animals
Now, all the.
all the animals
Hmm.
were
Hmm.
all
J-O-Y-E-D. Overjoyed. Overjoyed. Overjoyed.
overjoyed.
Hmm.
There
Hmm.
were
Hmm.
Mute.
Hmm. There was.
There
Joseph,
was
please sit properly.
forest
P-E-A-C-E. Peace.
play in the forest
Peace in the forest.
again.
Again. Yes.
Again.
Yeah. Arjun Krishna, please sit properly and mute your device. There was peace in the forest again. Okay, good effort, Nived. Thank you. So after he got the magic powder from the old lady, that night, what did Tiggy do? Tiggy quietly. What is the meaning of quietly? Silently. Without making any noise. Quietly means silently, without any noise. He quietly sprinkled, to spread very lightly over something. He sprinkled the powder on his father. And what was the father doing at that time? Papa Tiger was sleeping. He was sleeping. At that time, Tiggy quietly went near Papa Tiger and sprinkled the magic powder on his body. And what happened the next morning? The next morning, the tiger's stripes were back. The tiger's stripes were back on his body, and all the animals living in the forest were overjoyed. Overjoyed. Look at this boy. He is so happy. He is full of joy and he is dancing away, right? So, overjoyed means very happy. Overjoyed means very happy. Understood? What is the meaning of overjoyed? Very happy. And once tiger and all the other animals in the forest were very happy, there was peace in the forest again. Peace. Peace. Peace means a good time. Everybody was living happily together. There were no fights. Nobody was angry at the other person or animal, and everybody lived happily together. Such an atmosphere is said to be a peaceful atmosphere. Nobody is angry at the other person, and everybody is happy together. And all of them lived very happily together in the forest. Let me stop sharing here.
Yes,
Have you been able to understand the story?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now let us try
Sorry, yes, ma'am.
why everybody is speaking together. Now we are going to do a small exercise today. Do you know what it is? All of you have understood the story, right? Yeah. Let me check. Those who have understood the complete story, raise your hands. Those who have understood the story, raise your hands. Okay. Yeah, very good. Quite a few are there. So, today we will narrate the story with the sequence of events. Okay, I want all of you to say or speak in your own words. I will help you as always. Okay, are you ready? Let us see whether we remember everything that happened in the story from the beginning till the end. So, who wants to start? Who is ready to start? Okay, Nihe, unmute. Now, one sentence is enough. One sentence from one side, one child, then the next sentence will be said by the other child. So remember the sequence of events, okay?
One day, all the animals in the forest were terrified.
Hmm.
Were
Don't read, close the books, all of you. I don't want you to read. Tell me in your own words. Okay, then
one day, all the animals in the forest were terrified. The tiger was terribly angry.
that's enough, Nihal. Good start. Good start. Thank you. Meenakshi, unmute and continue.
The tiger was terribly angry
Why? You can-
because the tiger's stripes were missing.
Fantastic. Very good. Chaitanya, unmute and continue. Chaitanya, unmute. Fast. Get ready. Others get ready. Okay? Chaitanya, fast. The tiger was very angry because his stripes were missing. Unmute, my dear. Say fast. Are you not able to remember?
Yes.
It's okay. No problem. You can take your own time. No problem. Who wishes to answer now? I saw some people raising their hand. Yeah, Karthik. Yes, unmute. Then what happened?
Little
Hmm.
tiger
Hmm.
was very upset.
was very upset? When
Father.
he said, yes, when he saw that his father was very angry. Okay, Karthik, very good. Then who wants to add? Heza, please sit properly and pay attention in the session. Sit properly. Yes, Muhammad Ali, say, what happened then? Muhammad Ali, unmute. Yeah, come on. What happened then?
So, Mama, tiger said he hurt.
Huh? No. 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 Ritika wants to speak. Ritika?
Piggy asked Bruno the bear.
No, before that he spoke to his mother, right? His mother told him something. Okay, it's fine. No problem. It is time for me to wind up the session here. But I want all of you to read the entire story from the beginning till the end 3 times today itself. And in the next session, we will do this exercise. Okay? And you have to tell me the story. This time it is your turn. All of you together as a team, you have to work and tell me the story. Are you ready to do that? Yes, one by one. You all have to work together as a team. Good. So, my dear students, let me wind up the session here. Thank you very much. See you in the next class. Bye. Bye-bye.